Welcome to BMW Motorrad in Welwyn Garden City. I'm Matthew, the new head of business. Let's go inside and take a look around, shall we? In our showroom here at Lind, we try to offer you the biggest and best selection of new and used vehicles from the BMW range. We offer everything from the M1000 RR, going right through the complete range of new vehicles. As you can see here, on my right hand side is a premium selection of used motorcycles that we also offer here at Lind's Motorrad. As well as all the vehicles that we have on offer here, we also have a good selection of the gear and garments that BMW offer to all of our retail customers. T-shirts, caps, hoodies, boots, all the way through to full Gore-Tex lined jackets that you can see here. We have a full-size range in stock along with helmets, gloves, smaller accessories, even offering some of the new casual wear available from BMW. So what you don't always see here at Lind is what happens behind those two doors. We have 5 fully working service bays, all manned by fully trained BMW technicians. And we also offer MOTs on site as well. And that's us at Lind Motorrad in Welwyn Garden City. Please pop by any time, come and have a coffee, have a look round, have a chat to any member of staff, and don't forget to follow all of our socials. Thank you very much.